It's Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner of Pam Hurley Writing Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. And today I'm going to rant about AI in writing. Now you may think, oh, you're ranting about AI because you guys teach people how to write and you don't want AI to infringe upon what you're doing. True, right? But while I don't know the future of AI, what I do know is that AI is not the silver bullet. People believe that, oh, I'll get AI and I don't know that I don't need to improve my writing skills. It's going to be fantastic. Not true, right? Because the problem with AI is that it treats writing as this kind of thing that is done outside of any kind of context. And what I mean by that is when you use AI to write, you need to be able to assess whether the writing is actually working. What is the goal you're trying to achieve with the writing? Writing is not just a bunch of words and we throw them out there and we hope for the best, right? Whether you're writing a proposal to a client or, user manual or whatever, the writing still has to serve a function. It still has to have a purpose. And the people in the organization have to understand whether the writing is actually working. Number one. Number two, the writing still has to be reviewed. Somebody's got to review that writing to make sure that it is correct and that the tone is reflects the organization, the style is right, all those things. So what I'm predicting, may be wrong, I've been wrong before, what I'm predicting is that the companies that are going to AI right now, without any kind of thinking or foresight, are going to end up ditching it because they understand that it's taking that it is creating more work than it solves. Now, that being said, we're creating a class on AI. We've got one in the works right now, but it's about using AI as a tool, not as a replacement, right? And so AI can definitely provide or be a great tool to getting started in terms of writing. And it can be a great tool for, summarizing and things like that, depending on what it is you want to do in your organization. But we're just not there in terms of it taking the place of human beings in terms of writing. So that's my prediction. Approach it cautiously. I don't know if I'll be right or wrong, but I do think that a lot of organizations that are jumping on that AI bandwagon or the ChatGPT bandwagon are going to find out that they probably should have taken it a little bit more slowly, right, to understand the real ramifications of the tool and how to use the tool properly. I'm Pam Hurley. Hit me up on LinkedIn. Email me, pam@hurleywrite.com. My number is 877-249-7483. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye.